Good morning, children. How are you all? Here is your educator, Divya Miss. Children, today we will do comprehension in our English grammar textbook. Chapter 29. Open page number 63. The title is Sanu Learns to Share. Children, as I already said before, when we do comprehension, it is very important to read the passage carefully. So we will read the passage carefully and we will try to understand it, and then after we will solve the exercise. So let's start reading with me. Children, when you read, put your finger on this word, or you can use pencil too, or put your finger. Let's read with me. Sanu is a little girl. Children, so you can understand this is the passage about a girl and whose name is Sanu. You can observe the picture also. Here is a picture. There is a girl whose name is Sanu. She is 5 years old. Sanu is a little girl and she is 5 years old. When you read it, children, try to understand it too. Her mummy buys toys for her. Her daddy brings toffees for her. So now, understand na children? Her mummy buys toys and her daddy brings toffees, chocolates. One day, a boy comes to her house. His name is Nonu. Children, you can look at here in the picture. There is a boy and his name is Nonu, and he comes to Sanu's house. Sanu is very happy. She shows him all the toys. Nonu is happy to see her toys. Nonu wants to play with her teddy. Why? Because Sanu shows her all the toys. So Nonu wants to play with her teddy bear. Sanu is angry. She does not share the teddy with him. The boy goes away. Why he goes away? Because Sanu didn't give her any toy or teddy bear to Nanu to play. Now what happened? One day, Sanu wants to play with Nonu. She goes to his house. First, what happened? Nonu came to Sanu's house. Now, Sanu goes to Nonu's house. Nonu has many toys in his room. Sanu likes the toy car. Remember na, when Nunu went to Sanu's house, what did he like? He liked the teddy bear. And now Sanu likes the toy car. Nonu gives it to her. She plays for a long time. Now it is time to go home. Understand na, children? Nonu gives it to her. Sanu didn't give her teddy bear to Nonu, but Nonu gives it to her. Nonu gives the toy car to Sanu. Sanu waves to him and says, "Please come to my house. I will also share my toys. Thank you for making me a good girl." Understand na, children? Now Sanu understand the importance of sharing. Children, I read the passage one time, but you will read the passage 2 more times at your home again, and you will try to understand it, and then after we will solve the exercise. Children, again I say, read this passage 2 more times.